Hi guys, just a quick one today. So what does a £20 garden look like to me? This. So I'm in and out in about 20-25 minutes. I've strimmed the edge. I've actually gone up that side with the mower, so that's not all strimmed. Obviously just the edges are strimmed. So 5 minutes with a strimmer. And it's going to be 15-20 minutes with the mower, bagging up in the customer's bin. And I keep going on about these gardens. If I can add one of these to me round every day, that's an extra 20 quid a day, 100 quid a week, 400 quid a month. It can't go wrong really. And you know, obviously that's just my opinion. For me, a 20-minute garden, a £20 garden, sorry, is, as I say, something in the region of 20, no more than half an hour. You might fill the bag up, empty the bag rather, 4 or 5 times max. And yeah, this was on a street where I've got 2 other houses, so maybe if it wasn't, maybe I would have knocked it up to 25 potentially, if it was a little bit more out of the way. But you know, I do the 2 houses, I do this for 20 minutes and I get an extra 20 quid. You know, it's not seconds obviously, is it? But yeah, you get me point anyway. So £20 is me minimum at the moment. I'm really getting quite busy, so I'm reluctant to do anything less than £20. But you know, by the time you strim, you mow, your fuel, it's just not worth it in my opinion. So £20 is my lowest that I do. And but having said that, you know, if someone caught us, you know, if I'm doing someone's garden and he says, "Oh, how much would you know, next door, how much would it be just to, you know, give that a quick mow? It might take you 5 minutes. You know, I wouldn't do it for 5. I'd probably say a tenner." And I'm talking like a tiny front garden there that would literally just take 5 minutes. I'm not talking about doing his whole garden, obviously, because that's a different story. But that hasn't happened yet. It's always been a bit more substantial really, but you know, you get me point, I think. So thanks for watching guys again. Again, sort of a pricing video, this one. Let us know in the comments. As well, tell us what your minimum charge is, you know, your lowest garden. That would be quite interesting to know as well. Alright, thanks for watching guys, see you later, bye.